go. Hello, everyone. Super excited. This one is for the record, guys, because what can I say? Their business is amazing. Reto and the team at Balleristo are the greatest. You can see their products on his back, but it's an amazing business. So I'm really pleased to have today with us Reto from Balleristo. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thanks for the invitation. Hello, nice to meet you.
Let's start as usual. Tell us what you guys do and what amazing products that you guys create.
Great, thank you. So my name is Rito. I'm the project manager at BVD and responsible for Balleristo. We are a traditional printing company with headquarters in Liechtenstein and also in Germany. With over 50 employees, we operate in a challenging environment as the value of paper continues to decline. So we anticipated this decline and invested in new printing technologies 8 years ago and launched Balleristo. So with Balleristo, we want to make branded products personalizable. As an example, behind me, the SICK water bottle and the Adidas football and also a customized Giro helmet behind me. So all products can be personalized and ordered from edition 1. That's our USP. So we use branded products and personalize this for our customer base, also in the B2C and B2B market. That's my short introduction.
It's short but on point, and thank you for that. First question, what was the moment where you guys thought, okay, personalization, it's a focus for us. We need to offer it online. We need to have a layer that can be engaging, but at the same time can help us in our operation. What was that moment?
Yes, since we got into personalization over 8 years ago, we got to know Configurators early on and acquired a broad knowledge base. To get started, we developed our own configurator and make some experience, but we have to cover extremely high costs 8 years ago. To get started, we developed, after that, more and more providers came onto the market, which we tested in the past and some of which we also used in the past. I think the heart of the e-commerce business to get the personalized product to our customer is the configurator. So it's the main part to create the new business in this area. And for sure, our unique printing technology, yes, uniqueness is our printing technology combined with the unique configurator from.
Can we say that Zakeke helped you overcome those challenges that you guys had? And do you think that you achieved what you were looking for in terms of business operation and results?
Yes, for us, the biggest advantage of Zakeke was to launch a new product on the market very quickly. We have developed a workflow that allows us to publish a product in 2D in just a few minutes. And for the 3D preview, we have a partner who can create the 3D objects, including texture from 6 photos. So we are very fast to launch a new product through Zakeke. And for us, it's also important to integrate our partners via the sales channels. That's the most important thing for us, that we could integrate our customer. These are retailers in Switzerland and Germany that we have integrated by sales channel. And so we could integrate these partners very easy and make business with them. And the last thing we really love is the ready-made designs on the Zakeke world. We could show to the customer 10 designs that he could use for a personalized bottle, for a personalized helmet. And this is really important for the customer because they are not creative. We have to show them some pre-designed templates.
Thank you very much, Reto, for all this info and for all these details. I think that our audience will be absolutely thrilled to go to your website and experience what you guys created. And again, thank you very much for your time today, for being with us today.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.